Do you suffer from chronic inflammation, joint or muscle pain? Does your pain keep you from doing the activities you love the most? If so, MagnaHeal 2 may be your solution. Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. I invented the MagnaHeal 2 to decrease inflammation, speed up the healing cycle, and relieve muscle and joint pain. The MagnaHeal 2 is a wearable belt that can be used while you sleep, walk, exercise, or watch TV. It comes with 3 adjustable belts that can be worn head to toe. The most common condition that MagnaHeal can be used to treat like headache, neck, back, elbow, knee pain. MagnaHeal 2 can quickly reduce inflammation and pain by speeding up the body's normal healing cycle. So how does the MagnaHeal 2 work? Our body's normal cell voltage is around 20 to 25 millivoltage. Injured or inflamed cell in voltage runs between 5 to 10 millivoltage. We know that cells use electromagnetic currents to communicate, function, and heal. Think about this way. If your phone runs on 5% battery, it will barely have the power to make phone calls, and the speed will be slower for your apps. The same thing happens internally in your body when the cell voltage is low and the body is stuck in inflammation stage. The goal of the MagnaHeal is to increase the voltage so that the body can heal faster. Do not let pain get in the way of living your best life. Take a charge of your health today with MagnaHeal 2.